Hey, if you're looking for that channel that gives you new construction homes and resales all around the Tampa Bay area, stick around. We have some new construction in Angeline, which is in Land O'Lakes, and we're getting after it right now.
Here we are back in Angeline in Land O'Lakes, Florida. We are going to zip through one of my most favorite floor plans, the Lantana, and let's see what it has to offer. Welcome home. So the Lantana is one of their most popular floor plans. They've done a little bit of different upgrades here in the Angeline community. First off, you are going to see luxury vinyl plank throughout this home, and it is stunning. So this is a perfect setup for someone with looking for 4 bedrooms. We've got 2 bedrooms right up front. It is going to be separated by a full bath. So we are going to have a shower tub combo, single vanity sink with quartz on it. And this is going to be bedroom number 1, nice and bright. We've got a nice big window up here at the front of the home. And the one thing I do love about DR Horton is the doors on their closets. Anytime they come loose, you just adjust them with these little roller balls. Directly across, we have bedroom number 2. Again, nice size room. This has a full bed, so you can see you've got room for a nightstand, dresser, and again, a nice long closet. So the Lantana is just over 2,000 square feet, 2,045 to be exact. It does have a 2-car garage and again, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. Across from bedrooms 1 and 2, we are going to have the laundry room, which is also going to be where you enter from your 2-car garage. Nice and wide. This one has a utility sink with the hot water heater cut into a little nook, so perfect because you get all the space for your automobiles. When you come in from your garage area, you are going to have one room located in the center of the home, and I love this, especially if you have a home office. There is a powder room with a half bath right here down this hallway, also perfect for guests. And again, bedroom number 3, which they have set up as a home office. And again, it does have the double doors for your closet space, but nicely centered right in the middle of the home. And now we are going to come into the main living portion of this home. And again, just a very nice, bright, open floor plan. Huge center island, quartz countertops. You're going to see stainless steel appliances. I love that they've done the browns, that they're bringing back in these natural colors. You've got a nice size pantry with racks on 2 of the shelves. And again, your kitchen area, nice and wide, so you're not going to get caught up in here, doors and drawers being open. It is a very comfortable size. Overlooking your family room, so you're not going to miss a beat while you're meal prepping and eating. You can have the TV, some music going on. And a very nice section dedicated for your dining area. Put up a nice fixture right here and bam, a beautiful setup. Tucked back in the corner of the home, we are going to have the primary suite, and it is nicely sized as well. I love that they've done a tray ceiling in here, big chunky king size bed. We've got 2 nightstands. You have room for a chair, for your dresser, 2 windows, so nice and bright. You're getting a lot of natural light in here. Now in the Lantana, you do get 2 separate his and her closets. So you have one on each side as you are walking into your primary ensuite. In this home, they have carpet in the bedrooms, and you'll see the luxury vinyl plank on the floors, again in that nice, beautiful wood tones, making it just very inviting. You do have a private water closet, a nice size soaking tub, and walk-in shower with tile on the wall. Again, this is a Lantana, and if you're wanting to get into one, you can do that in the mid 400s. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email if you do have questions.
Now, before we go check out the Seacliff model, if this is your first time on the channel and you're finding value, please make sure you like, subscribe, and tap that little bell for notifications as we come out with content just about every week. And we'd love to see you there.
So unfortunately, we are not able to get into this Seacliff because it literally just closed today. But the Seacliff is one of their newest floor plans here in Angeline. So if you're looking for a little bit of elbow room, some nice room sizes, the Seacliff could work for you. The home behind me is 3,334 square feet, featuring 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. So again, if you're looking for something that doesn't have the big 5-6 bedrooms, 2-story home, block on block, this one has a primary suite downstairs, so it could check all of your boxes. Let's go check out the rear of the home. So if you are looking for a Seacliff, there are 5 or 6 that are coming up that will be ready over the next few months. So you didn't miss out. Price points for the Seacliff is going to be in the mid 500s. As you can see, this is a very nicely sized home. 3,334 square feet. You've got a nice rear lanai. This one happens to be sitting on a gorgeous pond, so no rear neighbors looking back at you. And if you have any more questions, make sure you reach out to us.
So that was the Lantana and the Seacliff by DR Horton. Now, just remember, the people that work inside, the representatives that work inside the model centers represent the builder. You want to walk in there with your own representation. You could always give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. Let's set up a Zoom to make sure that we come and represent you. For example, we're going to get the most out of your incentives. For example, right now they're offering 3.99% financing
on homes that are ready to close now. So if you are ready in the next 30-45 days and a 3.99 sounds good to you, we can definitely find you a house.
$15,000 towards closing costs. We will provide you with a free third-party home inspection. I think it's a great time to buy a new house.
Yep. Builders are sitting on a lot of inventory, so they're ready to move some homes.
As soon as these rates start to come lower and lower, you're going to see these prices start going higher and higher. So if you're ready to buy a new home, whether it's in 9 days, 90 days, or a year, make sure you give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email.
Because we would love to see you
make that smooth move to the Tampa Bay area.
Bye now.